Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch a key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewer, today's paper is about can the anterolateral thigh flap replace the rectus abdominis free flap in the reconstruction of complex maxillary defects. Farhan Ahmed Etazaz is the lead author. Viewer, maxilla is perhaps the most essential and visible part of the mid-face. It is the three-dimensional structure, and when reconstructing maxillary ectomy defect, the principles of aesthetics as well as the best functional outcomes are taken into account. The aim of this study is to compare the anterolateral thigh flap ALTF to the standard option like the rectus abdominis free flap RAMFF for the reconstruction of complex maxillary defects. Methods. This descriptive case series was conducted at the Department of Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery, Shifa International Hospital, Islamabad, Pakistan from 2008 to 2016. Patients of all age groups with complex maxillectomy defect type 3 and 4 according to Cordero classification, resulting from tumor resection, trauma, osteoradionecrosis or infection, underwent reconstruction with a free anterolateral thigh flap and rectus abdominis free flap. Results. Over a period of 8 years, 49 rectus abdominis free flaps and 32 anterolateral thigh free flaps were performed for reconstruction of type 3 and 4 maxillectomy defects. The follow-up was weekly for 1 month and then 3 months for the first year, 6 months for second year and then yearly. All the patients had underwent immediate recovery. Conclusion. ALTF has advantages over the RAMFF in terms of the donor side morbidity, operative time and post-operative recovery in the reconstruction of complex maxillectomy defects. Viewer, this article was published in the Journal of Ayub Medical College, Abbottabad, January-March 2018. I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.